My name is Tom Sprallo and welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk all things trading, finances and money in general. Now, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. A lot to learn here, and hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. And also, before we jump in right into Bitcoin and what's going on and what's happening to my short right now, and it's still open and there's a lot of thoughts that I have in my head, so I'll share all of those in this video. But first, if you're not still registered for a chance to win a 2-week trip to Dubai, then please go to CrowlowTradingShow.com right now and register your free participation. I'll buy you a plane ticket to Dubai. We'll spend 2 weeks here, all expenses paid. And also, you guys talked me into it, and also on Instagram, you talked me into creating my Telegram channel with my own alerts and my thoughts and all the interesting good stuff, so that you stay updated on everything. Link down in the description. Go ahead, pause the video, go to Telegram and join my free Telegram channel, and so that you're always notified and updated of whatever is going on. All right, then let's move right into the current Bitcoin situation. And as you might remember from my previous video where I called this breakout down and actually shorted Bitcoin, and Bitcoin community, I'm sorry I had to participate in this short and just to make money. We're all here to make money, so I'm sorry for being a Bitcoin shorter. So anyway, you remember that this was, let me toggle auto. So this was exactly the super cool squeeze of this super strong resistance level, and we finally broke out of it right here, and I've taken a short trade right from down here, and it still is open. Now, there are a few things to look at, and there are a few things that I'm currently looking at when it comes to Bitcoin and my particular trade. So one of the things that I've done is, since we've moved about halfway to my target price, and I'll cover my target price shortly, I've already, my trade is actually open in the background right there, and I've moved my stop into profit right now. So if something changes, because again, shorting the market can be quite painful sometimes, and you people who like to short probably know this. So I have to be always very, very careful about it, because it can retrace at any given moment. Now, you have to understand that right now there was this technical reason for a Bitcoin drop, and also there were two fundamental reasons, and that's the situation in Kazakhstan, and you can Google it, as well as the Federal Reserve might be increasing the interest rates much sooner, which means that a lot of the money is going to be flowing out of the stock market. So S&P 500 is going to be dropping because the money is going to be going into bonds and this kind of stuff. So, and of course, it's gonna crypto is going to suffer because of it. Certainly, and it's, as always, and right now it's very, very not nice that when S&P 500 climbs like crazy, Bitcoin isn't doing much. But when S&P 500 is dropping, Bitcoin is dropping even more. So that's just the way it is. So there are again three main reasons, two fundamental ones and one technical one, which was this support level which we've broken. So then the big question is what to do, and what am I doing? Again, as I said, I've pulled my stop right here, right into profit, and again, this kind of a scenario could be very similar to what we've seen already in the weekly chart. Let's take a look. Let's go to the weekly one, and let's go to the weekly chart, and let's take a look at the famous EMA ribbon, and we'll see that that's where we are. Oh, geez. And we'll see that that's where we are right now. So we are breaking below the last ribbon, so to speak. And again, this might turn out to be one of these situations, just like right here, and we might actually see the bull run continue. So, and let me know down in the comments if you think that this is a likely scenario. Because again, for this to be confirmed on a weekly time frame, we really want to see this weekly candle to actually close below this last EMA ribbon, which is going to be very important and is going to serve as an incredible and really super strong confirmation. So we still have a few days for that to happen, because in reality Bitcoin actually might come back real. That's why I've pulled my stop into profit. We might see a situation like this with a very long wick, long tail, just like these situations right here. It actually might retrace real quick. So let's turn off the EMA ribbon and let's go to the daily chart right here, and no, actually, you know what, let's go to a 15-minute one and take a look at what's going on. So right now And this is the immediate short-term importance of the whole Bitcoin situation. And we have this flag formation, some squeezing that was happening here, and we broke out of it right now. So we might be going in a upward direction to actually retest this level again, which was about $46,000. So I'm not necessarily saying that it's going to be retested, because if it is going to be retested, then my take profit, then my, well, in this case, stop loss will be triggered, and I'll exit this trade with pretty much a zero, you know, a small profit. But again, this is a risk-free entry for me, a risk-free short. So in this case, this is what it looks like right now. So we found the bottom in a super immediate short term, which is about $42,500. And so what is my target? As I said, if I'm stopped out and if I'm gonna get a free trade, so be it. But there's still a lot of wiggle room for the market to play around, and perhaps, because if we take a look at this potential target for this flag right here, then this would be our target. So around $44,000. I would say that this would be the target of this breakout that just happened in a 15-minute chart. And this is, again, remember, these kinds of breakouts, they don't necessarily hit their target prices. You know, statistically, about 60 to 70% at best, these target prices are met. So if it comes to 44,000, I would really want to see some resistance at 44K, so we can say that 44,000 right now is quite important. And then the next one that I'm going to be looking at very closely is going to be my actual target for this particular trade. And let's go to the daily chart right here real quick, and then you'll see my target. And my target is $41,000. So at some point we were more than halfway to my target already, which is really nice. And again, retracement is not really that strong, so I still have big expectations, and my hope is to see my take profit taken at my take profit is set out at $41,100. So these are the two scenarios, and in reality we want to see Bitcoin finally break this really tiny level that it has formed at $42,500, and then potentially, let me mark this, and then come to this level right here, test it perhaps, and then go down, and finally show us a retest of $41,000. So $40,000 to $41,000. And again, just to be safe, my take profit is at $41,100. So the best case scenario for my trade would be for Bitcoin to actually move down and hit 41,000, or it could actually try and cover this target price for this flag formation right here, and then I would hope to see something like this going downwards right to my take profit. So in general, it still is looking very bearish at this time, unfortunately, for Bitcoin, but this is something that really have to be watching really closely. Right now, it's going to be important whether we're going to be retesting this important level, 46, well, in this case, I have marked it at 45,920, or we're going to continue this move down after we pass 42,500 down to 41. And then obviously, if we go past 41,000, that's where I'm going to be exiting the position at 41,000. I'm going to be seeing what's going on. I'm not going to be taking any shorts or longs, nothing, and I'm going to be waiting. I really want to wait this out if we hit 41,000. If we come back to 46, 47 right now, that's fine. I had a risk-free trade. And yeah, guys, if you're not registered for Krallo Trading Show to come to Dubai and enjoy this incredible time with me here, and also let me pay for your ticket and all that stuff, go to Krallo Trading Show and register right now. And please go down in the description and join my personal, the only real Thomas Krallo Telegram channel. And please hit that like button. Please give me some support. I'm coming up with many incredible videos for this YouTube channel. Gonna be uploading as often as I can. Please, my community, I'm asking you, let's crack that 1,000 likes on this video to keep me motivated to keep posting these as often as I possibly can. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio!